How to install Starlink app. So this is the app for Starlink device from SpaceX, and it just delivers high-speed internet almost anywhere on Earth. Starlink app is here to help you identify the install location that will ensure the best quality of service. Set up your Starlink hardware, check for obstructions that can interfere with service, verify your Wi-Fi connection, receive alerts for service issues, view connectivity stats, and yeah, so that's the idea. Like how you can just set it up, and then let's just tap get, and then you will be able to install and get it. And then yeah, you can just of course then you'll just need to have Starlink app. You can also find install location. Also select your Starlink. You need to give access to the camera, and then standard, there is high performance, there is flat, high performance, standard, circular. So for example, like that, and then find an open area, scan the entire sky, and then yeah, you can just try to do that. It's pretty cool. Also, you can just start setup from here, find a clear view of sky, and then check for obstructions from here. So it's pretty cool idea, like, you know, they're using this AR technology probably, and yeah, that's the idea here. You can just see what you need help with. There is like some troubleshooting, there is some help center, and then you can just sign in where you can just use starlink.com and then just sign in from here. You have a Starlink but no account, you can just activate it from here. That's where you find your Starlink identifier, and then just enter it from here. So yeah, that's basically the idea.